Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use any songs that you want for your Snapchat. Okay, so if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat. So here, as you can see at the right side of your screen, you can see this music option or the sound option, and you can see all of the available sounds that Snapchat has. Okay, or have, so now, for example, the music that you want is not available here on Snapchat. You can do this simple step. Okay, so now you want to go to your iTunes or Spotify and choose any music that you want. Okay, and now I won't play any music because I'm sure that you won't hear me. So just go ahead and choose the music and play it. Okay, so while it is playing, you want to go back to Snapchat and you want to start taking your video, and that video must include the music on the background. Okay, or the music that you played earlier. Okay, so that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.